Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You should not try to remove the tag yourself. Instead, stop and secure the garment so nothing gets damaged. Once done, gather proof of purchase, receipt, card transaction, or order email, and keep the item folded and untouched. Make sure to note the store location and approximate purchase time if you lack paperwork. These steps speed verification. You act responsibly, you avoid damage, and you preserve your right to have the tag removed by authorized personnel. Go directly to the store's customer service desk and explain calmly that you purchased the item and need the security tag removed. Present your receipt and, if available, the payment card or ID to speed verification. Staff will use a dedicated detaching tool. Let them handle it to avoid fabric damage. If the tag resists, ask them to inspect for tampering. By following this route, you get a clean removal, and you protect yourself against misunderstandings or accidental garment harm. After the tag is removed, check the garment carefully for any damage or residue, and if present, ask staff to clean or repair it right away. If the security device broke during attempted removal, escalate politely. Request repair, replacement, or refund from the store manager. If the store cannot resolve the issue, make sure to get names and take photos, then contact retailer customer support or your card issuer for charge disputes. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.